Say hi, bear. Hi, bear. Is that your bear, Maggie? Maggie, is that your bear? Say hi. Say hi, Mama. Oh, big hug. You're giving a big hug to your bear. Aw, yeah, big hug. Aw, that's a nice bear. Where's his nose, Maggie? Maggie, where's his nose? Where's the bear's nose? Where's his nose? Yeah. Do you say I love you? Oh, it's my tissue. Thank you.
That's a good bull. Oh, hello, who's that? Announce yourself, sir. Who are you? Who are you? Sir, who are you?
The only stuff that...
Oh, look at you, you little cutie pie.
You hold on tight to me.
stuffed animal that's production things with the
Steph?
shoulder bear, the face.
Is that right? Hold on tight.
Okay.
You're holding on?
Yeah.
We've got
Oh, who's coming? Who is that?
Can you sit up with me?
like in bed.
Like a real horse?
No, I've got a monkey and a bear and whatever.
Hold on really tight.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Uncle Dave, give us a big smile.
Yeah.
Uncle Dave,
Ja.
I see a shining forehead, but
From China.
where's that big smile? Where's that big smile?
I'm gonna kill
Yeah, Sebastian, you can give me a big smile. Why can't Uncle Dave?
Okay, are you holding on tight, Seth?
Okay.
I'm gonna give Daddy a big flippin' smile. Grab on around my neck. Grab on around my neck.
Oh, the love. Do you feel the love?